Okay, here we are. We're in Circa, the new casino downtown, with my travel agent, Pete. And we're about to go to the stadium to check that out for reception. Stay tuned. Hey, I am coming to you from the Circa Stadium Swim here in Las Vegas. We are having a travel agent event reception because you can rent part of this fantastic stadium for private events. So let me turn this around so you can see what it is. So that is a stadium swim. Basically a series of swimming pools with a big ass sports video, or whatever you call it. And there are a ton of people here. It's just it is a party going on here. This is amazing. This is Circa. It's brand new. They only opened in this past summer, and this is one of their main attractions. Yeah, they will be very successful with this.